Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to enable RTAO in FC25 without ray tracing. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open Game Settings by launching FC25. Head over to the Customize option located in the top left corner of the main menu and access Display Configuration. From the Customize menu, select Game Settings. Use the L1 button or the equivalent on your controller to scroll to Display Configuration and Screen Settings. Next, adjust Ray Tracing settings. Find the option labeled Ray Tracing and change the settings from Automatic to either Enable or Disable, depending on what your hardware can handle. After that, check and adjust resolution. Make sure the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution. This is key for getting the best performance and image quality. Then, review rendering quality. Check the rendering quality settings. If it's set to Ultra, consider switching it to Medium or High to keep your game running smoothly without sacrificing much visual quality. Also, adjust additional graphics settings. Here are a few other settings to tweak for better performance. Grass quality, set to medium. Crowd quality, set to low. Ambient occlusion quality, set to medium. Now, confirm changes. After making all these adjustments, hit the Options button to confirm and apply the changes. Finally, restart the game. Exit the Settings menu and restart FC25 to make sure the changes take effect. So that's basically how you can enable RTAO in FC25 without ray tracing. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!